What's the meaning of caecum? Caecum. Caecum.
Caecum. Caecum. The term caecum refers to a pouch-like structure found in the digestive system of some animals, including humans. It is located at the beginning of the large intestine and is responsible for absorbing fluids and salts from the undigested food that moves from the small intestine into the large intestine. The caecum also houses bacteria that aid in the fermentation of these undigested materials, which is important for the production of certain vitamins. In humans, the caecum is not as large or important as it is in other animals, such as herbivores, but it still plays a role in digestion and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome.